guys, today I will be fixing a PS4 actual console this time. See, it's actual PS4, even says PS4 right over here. You might not be able to see it, yeah, right there. So I did get this in the box, but somehow it just seemed to be broken. So I'm going to actually show you how to fix it so you don't have problems with it. And this is especially for like if the front bit is coming off. So yeah, and like the sides is kind of like that. So yeah, as I was saying, it's going to be a little bit tired after dropping a few times. So what I'm gonna do is you want to get a banana, just like just give it a little nourishment. Okay. There, that's good now, that's good. When you see these marks and stuff, it means you've accomplished the good. Now guys, I've experienced firsthand, PlayStation is a very, very messy eater. So what we did is I wiped it off a little bit. And yeah, the next step is coming up, so what you want to do is like, make sure you give it a little massage, just push it down a little. Now, after you've dropped it 4 times from before, you're going to want to punch it about 5 times. Then you're going to want to, throw it down the stairs and pick it back up a few times. I can't be able to do that. And you basically want to hit with a bat, a stick, a broom, anything like that. And the end result should look like this. Now, I've actually finished the steps, so I'm a little ahead of everyone. So yeah, I've done this of like, look, when this whole bit is off, you've done a good thing. You've completed the tutorial. You've did a good thing here. Now, what you're gonna see is these excess parts. You're gonna see these bits. You're just gonna not want this. You're just gonna leave that there. You're also gonna see this on the floor for some unknown reason. You're gonna put this in the bin because that's nothing. And literally, the tutorial is finished. Actually, you might want to dip it in water a few times just to make sure the banana didn't get inside. So yeah, it looks perfectly fine. Just how it's supposed to be. If it doesn't look like this, you did the wrong tutorial. And make sure you subscribe and like the video.